What a beautiful blue sky, crisp, clear morning here at World Headquarters. The snow is gone, the sun is out, the temperature's coming up. Oh, makes me want to go camping. Makes me want to go to the dump. But I still have to use a couple of those pieces as I finish in there. Speaking of in there, this weather makes me want to go camping. And we're not far off with Lilette's camper. You've seen it, you've been following along. I put a lot of time and effort into the campers. A lot of time and effort. You've watched the videos, but what I need to start doing, start putting a little more time and effort into the tow vehicle. Now, this is a good truck. It has lasted me 10 years. It's given me no problems. You know, I've got new tires, new brakes, things like that. You got to do the maintenance. And, well, you know, it was snowing, so we've got some road grime and salt and, you know, the normal stuff. No big deal. This has been a good truck. And I'm, you know, she's going to take us out on the open road. Except for, I don't know. The outside is great. The interior needs a little work. And the reason I say that, normally it doesn't bother me, but every time me and Russ go somewhere, we always take his truck. His truck, mine's the XL. His is the XLT, and it looks brand new inside. And I'm like, can we take your truck? You know, it's nice. It's like the upgrade. You know what I mean? So, let me show you. It's not bad. I mean, I don't want you to think that it's some kind of weird things going on here, but it's showing some wear and tear is all. Yeah, I got to carry my extra hitch and ball there. But, I mean, you could disregard all the curly hair because, you know, Lilette takes care of that. But it's kind of plain. The whole thing is gray. Now, the black accents here, I like black accents here. That's nice, but everything else, gray. Guess where I put my elbow every single time I drive? 122,000 miles worth, and we're getting a little smushy right here, but that's to be expected. Well, I think I have a solution. Let me show you. Now, you know I'm a simple man. This doesn't really bother me that much, but when I ride with Russ, I'm like, this could be better, right? Well, our friends at coversforcar.com understands how I feel, and they sent me this. That's a cool bag to start with. But these are seat covers, and I'm trying to figure out how to open them up. Oh, here it is, right there where I wasn't looking. All right. So I'm going to see what they sent me exactly. Oh, wow. Okay. Look at that. That's cool. The gray is still there and black. And this is like leather. Wow. So I think, I don't know, does this just go like this? I don't know. Should I read the directions? There's two of those. Oh, look at this. What is this? This goes, oh, this is the sit-on part of the seat. This is the back of the seat because it's got those. What do you say? We see if we can get this thing off. All right. We're flying by the seat of our pants, boys. All right, let's see. Always time for a do-it-twice theater, but let's see if we can not do that today. How about that? Let me put that up there a little closer where you can see it. Oh, I see what's happening here. All right. Ugh. Wow, those fit just right. Let's put this, I'll bet you I wonder if there's a headrest. That'd be cool if there was, but we're gonna put this on right now anyway. Get on there. Wait, where does it go? If only I was a little taller. if I was a shot caller. Let's see, that goes here and here. There it is. And there's that. Right there. Ta-da! This is another seat. Hey! Hey! Headrest. All right. I wonder if there's a, yep, that's got to be the front. Let's go here. Come on, get on there. Well, you don't want it to be loose and floppy, do you? And it's not. Hey, get on there. Yeah, this is, okay. That's custom. Tell you what. Ooh, okay. I should get into the upholstery business, don't you think? Absolutely not. Not when Crystal does it really well. Now we just gotta get up in here. Oh, there's where I went wrong. I gotta give it a little more action right there. Try to even out this back piece. I love it. Okay, pull this down here. Pull that right there. There it is. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure the rest of it out, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I just wanted to show you that this was gonna be easy to do. Let me finish it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey, short 30 minutes later. Woo. Look at that. That's pretty classy. I really like it. I got some wrinkles to smooth out, but that's just me. You know me. I'm not a fancy man, but driving this truck like this, people are going to wonder, what did Rob do? What, did he get a raise at work? What happened? He used to just be a plain old guy. And now, look at him. I'll put the link in the description. This stuff feels like leather. It might be leather. How would I know? I'm not a fancy man. Got a little pocket right here. There's a pocket back here. A little, what do they used to call those? Like a map pocket. There's one back there as well. Not hard to install at all. Just a little elbow grease. And we got it done, boys. I like it. But guess what? Let's close the door on that for right now because we just got a package in the mail. I know what it is. You don't know what it is. But let's take a look together. All right, we're back. All right. This came from all the way in Findlay, Ohio. My grandma, my mom's side, and grandpa, and the rest of the family lived in Findlay, Ohio. Used to love to go up there and visit them. They're no longer with us, so I can't do that anymore. As you know, we're working on that Shasta. That'll give you a hint what we're looking at here. We did a good job of boxing it up. There wasn't nobody going to get into it without a knife. Okay, we're getting closer. Yeah, I ended up talking to that guy, and his phone came up from that particular place, and first I thought, well, this is going to be some kind of scam or something, and no, sure enough, he said, hey, you remember that place with 3 crosses right there on the highway? I said, yeah. He goes, I don't know how long it's been there, but it's still there, and I live across from there. And I said, well, it's been there as long as I was driving up to see my grandma. So I guess that's still there. That's neat. So if you ever go into Findlay, pick up a set of wings for your Shasta. Now that's just obviously did we leave it where we can peel it off? I hope. I wonder if it's probably the same on both sides, but I want to kind of peel a little bit off here and without scratching it. I don't know that I'm going to put it on today, but maybe tomorrow. I'm working on it. Oh, now I've got it. I've got it. Okay. I'm going to take this whole side off for you. Give you a good look. Ah! They're not super thick. I like that. Now what he did to keep them from rotting out on the inside is he uses cedar. So he's got cedar on this deal on the interior. And it feels stout. Not too heavy, but it feels as if, you know, it's, you know how things feel when you're looking for quality. Sometimes you want something really light, and sometimes you don't. And I guess it looks like, let me see. Is this side? Yeah, this side's going to be the same as that side. I just didn't know if it was going to be anything different. But these are the great big ones. It's like 8 inches by 36 for this era of Shasta Compact. So there they are. Oh, I think if I found this, I could recreate these myself. I mean, I have in the past, just not exactly like this, because I don't know where that comes from. If I found it, I'd make them. Something to do. All right, I wish I could show you more, but you have more. See, this is out of order, wildly out of order. You're going to see this one before you ever see how far. As we were walking in, you probably saw something, but you will not see that for a few more weeks, because that's just, you know how we run a month behind, sometimes a little more than that. So, but I'm going to put this one up there just because it's not exactly a building one, but I want you to check out our friends over there, and the link will be in the description. Just kind of check it out if you want to see it. We'll see you on the next one.